Le long du trottoir, je pourrais stationner avant le panneau. Oui, A. No, B. Après le panneau. Oui, C. No, D. Let's break down the question one by one in English for more understanding. Le long, it means along. Du trottoir means on the pavement. Je pourrais, it is taken from the word pourvoir, which is a conditional tense that means I could. Stationner, it means parking, not stopping. Avant means before. Le panneau means the sign. Then let's put all of them together. Along this pavement, can I park before this sign? So the question is asking you that before you reach this road sign, is parking allowed or not? I want you to drop your answer in the comment section. The next question is saying, après le panneau. Après means after. Le panneau means the sign. Let's put them together. After this sign, can I park? Drop your answer also in the comment section. Let's now answer it. With that word that you understand what it means, you first of all study the panel. What panel are they asking about? This panel, it is a stationnement panel. That means stationnement interdit. But there is a panel so under this panel that you can see, an arrow that goes up and arrows that comes down. That arrow, you must know the meaning. That arrow, it means that you cannot park before and after this sign, which gives our answer to be what? B and D. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button in case you have not subscribed, and if you want to learn more about Code de la Route and you are struggling to pass it because you do not understand French very well, you can subscribe to my online private class where you are seeing this flyer. Just reach out to me, then I will definitely get back to you. See you in my next video.